Welcome to day 6 of Flexibility Challenge, and this routine is designed to gently open up your entire body just in 10 minutes. You don't need any equipments, so let's get started. Starting with any comfortable seated position on your mat, and then stretch your neck side to side 3 times on each side. Try to touch your ear to your shoulder without lifting your shoulder for a deeper stretch. Now move your neck up and down for 3 times. When you inhale, lift your head up, stretch your chin, and when you exhale, chin to the chest, and repeat this 2 more times. Now, keep your palms on your shoulder and rotate your elbows. When you bring your elbows to the front, try to touch them together. Squeeze your shoulder blades together when your elbows are at the back. Now reverse the direction and repeat the movement for 5 times. Now reach your left arm overhead and bend towards the right side, and then repeat the movement with the other side. Repeat this movement 4 times on each side. Feel the stretch in your side body when you are at the center. Inhale, and when you bend, exhale. Once you're done, come to 4-point kneeling. Inhale, drop your belly, lift your gaze up. Exhale, round your back, tuck your chin to your chest. Again, inhale, arch. Exhale, round. Repeat this 2 more times. Once you're done, tuck your toes, lift your hips up. You can keep a gentle bend in your knees, and you can pedal your heels if it feels good. Take a deep breath here and pedal your heels one by one. From here, bend your elbows and shift forward to the floor. Lower your chest slowly, untuck your toes and come into Cobra. Again, come back to Downward Dog, and we're gonna repeat this movement 2 more times. We're gonna hold the Cobra here. Bend your elbows, relax your shoulders, open up your chest and hold the pose. Relax your glutes. Now slowly bring your chest down and tuck your toes and come to downward facing dog and hold the pose for a moment. Feel the stretch at the back of your leg. Now slowly step your left foot forward and come to high lunge. You can bend the knee and drop it down on the floor if you find it very difficult. You can place your palms on your knees if you want and hold the pose. Now slowly bring your knee down, right palm on the ground, left hand reaches up and twist open towards the left side and hold the pose. Now slowly bring your left hand down, step your left foot back, pedal your knees one by one. Now slowly step your right foot forward and hold the high lunge. You can always drop your back knee if you want to modify the pose. Hold the pose. You can also place your palms on your knees to challenge your balance and hold the pose. Now slowly drop your back knee down, place your left palm on the ground and right arm reaches up and twist open towards the right side. Hold the pose. Now slowly bring your hand down and come back to downward dog. And come to a seated position. Bring your soles of your feet together and move your knees up and down for a few times. Now straighten your legs and come to a straddle pose and hands forward. Exhale and come down as far as you can. Be gentle with yourself and hold the pose. Now slowly step your hands back and bend towards the right side and hold the pose. And now switch the side, bend towards the left side and hold the pose. Now slowly come back to the center and lie down on your back and lift your hips up as high as you can and hold the pose. Now slowly bring your hips down and stretch your arms over your head. Take a deep breath in, lengthen your body and slowly exhale out. Thank you so much for joining me today, and if you enjoyed this, remember to like, share and subscribe. See you next time.